Hey everybody, this is Steve Soder coming at you from Salt Lake City, home of the first NBA player with coronavirus, at least that we know of. I'm with Workiva and we're talking today about what happens if I can't meet my SEC filing deadlines due to COVID-19. Well, in a very unprecedented move on March 4th, 2020, the SEC followed up on its prior statements that they had made earlier by granting some relief and issuing an order that gives public companies an additional 45 days to file certain reports that would otherwise have been due between March 1st and April 30th. So of particular interest for the calendar year filers for sure. So the order is pretty similar to the existing accommodations that the SEC gives filers under a 12b-25. And what's different about this one is that instead of filing that 12b-25, what you do now is you file an 8K that discusses, among other things, why you're unable to meet a filing deadline due to the COVID-19 circumstances. Number two, the estimated date by which you expect that filing to be made. And then number three, if it's appropriate and certainly material, you want to put in a risk factor that describes the impact of COVID-19 on your business. Certainly the SEC is going to continue to monitor this, and hopefully you won't need this extension, but it's great to know that the SEC has made an accommodation just in case you need it. Thanks, guys.